everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Now, today's video ay para sa inyong mga Cancer ngayong September. So, this is extended reading, Cancer, alright? Yes, kaya tutok na, Cancer. So, this is general reading, Cancer, kaya take what is resonant for you. Alright, so, Universe, what is your message for Cancer ngayong September? Extended reading para sa mga Cancer. May paparating sa buhay mo, Cancer, ngayong September. Yes, prosperity, wealthy, and abundance din ng mga Cancer. Some of you ay may ikakasal ngayong September, mag-aasawa. Alright. So, Cancer, some of you ay may mga taong masamang tingin para sa iyong kalagayan ngayon, Cancer. No? Or sa inyong pamilya, something. Kaya be careful, alright? Use protection ngayong September. So, Cancer, kung ano man niyang mga addiction natin, minor din pag may time, right? Huwag mong hayaan na malulong sa addiction, Cancer, okay? Or kung may manliligaw, be careful, no? Dahil ito'y, hindi ito true love, something. Yes. Or be careful dealing about money, dealing about business, whatever, kung ano man yan, no? Laging alerto ngayong September, Cancer. So, you have hiding enemies, Cancer. So, be careful, no? Your family members or friends or colleagues, something, no? Na nakapalibot sa iyo. Be careful, you have hiding enemies. So, be careful sa iyong mga plano, sa iyong kung anong meron ka like that, no? Yes. Yes. So, be careful din, Cancer, sa inyong mga source of income. Alright, dahil medyo may masamang tingin dito, abay baka makuha pa yan ng iba, Cancer. Alright. Yes. So, some of you mga Cancer ay brave and hero of your family, friends, and a colleague or relative, something. Yes. Some of you ay, kung sa babae, maganda, kung sa lalaki ay pogi. Yeah, kumbaga, maganda tingnan ang mga Cancer, no? May personality ang mga Cancer. Yes. So, Cancer, be careful. May mga taong batuhin ka or sisiraan ka ngayong September. Alright. Or may mga travel na mangyayari din, Cancer, ngayong September. Alright. So, yeah. Check din minsan pag may time, no? Sa ating mga inbox dyan. Baka may mga important dyan na mga messages na hindi mo nabasa. Okay. Yes. So, you have the Lover's card here and the Devil. So, be careful, okay? Kung may manliligaw ngayong September. Or kung may taong gusto kang pakasalan, be careful, okay? Think wisely, alright? Before tayo mag-agree. Alright. So, some of you mga Cancer ay may new relationship na paparating ngayong September kung ikaw ay single. Yes, kung ikaw naman ay may ka-partner na, may pamilya na, you are loved, Cancer. Mapagmahal ka sa iyong pamilya, sa iyong anak, something. Yeah, so some of you din ay may Panginoon na laging naggabay sa mga Cancer, handang makinig sa mga hinanaing or nag-guide sa inyong mga Cancer ngayong September. Yes, kung pag-uusapan natin ang spiritual world, this is God our Father. Kung pag-uusapan naman natin ang dito sa earth, ito ay father figure or may edad na lalaki or mataas ang katungkulan na laging makikinig sa mga Cancer or handang tulungan ka, Cancer. Yes. Alright, so some of you mga Cancer ay may nakatingin or naghihintay pa rin hanggang ngayon sa mga Cancer. Yes. Umaasa na sagutin ang tawag, umaasa na sagutin ang mga messages, something, no, like that. Yes. Yeah, so itong taong ito ay medyo upset, no, something. Dahil some of you ay hindi mo sinasagot ang mga tawag nito or sulat, something. Okay. Yeah. So, saksi din ang buwan, Cancer, sa mga sa pangyayari sa buhay mo, no? Yes. Some of you ay pagdating ng gabi ay medyo doon mo na maranasan or maramdaman ang sad, upset, or namimiss mo ang iyong mahal sa buhay pagdating sa gabi. Okay. So, success, victorious, may mga good news ang mga Cancer ngayong September. Yes. So, this is also mga project, new project, no? Yes. Some of you ay makabili ng bahay, lupa ngayong September. Wow. So, some of you ay may new beginning ngayong September, new life, no? Or magkakaroon ka ng tamang desisyon ngayong September, Cancer. Yes, you're victorious also, Cancer. Whatever na gagawin mo sa buhay mo, you're always victorious. You know why? God our Father is with you. Yes, who will be against you, Cancer, if God our Father is with you? Nobody. Even the devil. Nobody can harm you or touch you, Cancer. Yes, so this is your button of a day, Cancer. May taong na-upset, sad ngayong September para sa inyong mga Cancer. Or may taong nangangailangan ng iyong tulong, Cancer. No? Or some of you, no? Either this is you. Some of you ay medyo upset, sad, may iniindang nakaramdaman, may mga opportunity na hindi mo kayang tanggapin or tinalikuran mo something. Nireject mo ang mga opportunities nito, Cancer. Alright, yes. So, some of you mga Cancer ngayong September ay napaka-energetic ngayong September. Yes. Or some of you ay independent, no? Napaka-independent din ninyo mga Cancer. Kaya nyong gawin, no? Yes, Cancer. Yes, so Cancer, some of you ay marunong humawak ng bara. Some of you ay straight magsalita, direct to the point. Some of you ay may nagagalit, no? This is mother figure. So, siguro ito ang taong ito ang yung hiding enemies. Either your mother-in-law, sister-in-law, no? Or boss, something. Yes. So, may mga tao dito, Cancer, na gusto kang pahirapan. Maghirap, no? Something. Kaya some of you ay ginagawa ng mga witchcraft, no? Nag-wish ng masama para sa inyo, mga Cancer. May malaking desisyon dito nagagampanan mo ngayong September. Yes, so may betrayal, lying, and spying ngayong September. Yes. So, be careful, Cancer, sa lahat ng bagay. Some of you, mga Cancer, ay mala star beauty. Center of attraction. Something mapatingin talaga ang tao sa mga Cancer ngayong September. Yes, may unique abilities, unique beauty ang mga Cancer. So, be careful about your money, about your property, about your, kung ano man yan, no? Trabaho ba, no? Dahil may mga tao ditong mag-betrayal or mag-lying sa inyo. Yeah, baka manakaw pa kung anong meron ka, Cancer. So, you are also like a lion, Cancer, no? Brave. See? You have a gift of courage also, Cancer. Born to be a leader also, mga Cancer. You have a gift of courage na bigay ng ating Panginoon, Cancer. So, bihira lamang ang may gift of courage, no? Yes, so kung alalahanin nyo yung mga bilyonaryo, may mga gift of courage yan na bigay ng Panginoon, no? Yes, dahil hindi basta-basta magdesisyon or mag-take ng malaking responsibilidad kung wala kang courage. Nang hindi mo rin ma-reach ang iyong mga pangarap kung wala kang courage. So, bihira lamang ang may taong may courage, Cancer. Some of you ay born to be a leader like a lion, ang mga Cancer. Handang gawin para sa pamilya. Alright. Yes, so some of you mga Cancer ay may laging nakatingin. Nag-stalk sa iyong picture, no? Kahit malayo ka. Through internet. Yes. At handang naghintay pa rin sa mga Cancer. Oh. Sana all. Yes. So, Cancer, napaka-close mo ng ating Panginoon, ng ating angels guide, ng ating spirit guide also, at ng inyong ancestors. So, Cancer, you have the 9 of Wands. So, this means, alam mo kung hanggang saan ka lang dapat, Cancer. You have a boundary. This is boundary card also. So, some of you ay maraming nakatingin, maraming nakasubaybay sa mga Cancer. Or marami bang manliligaw, OMG. Yes. So, some of you mga Cancer ay nalampasan nyo na rin ang mga pagsubok sa buhay. Yes, you overcome the difficulties, Cancer. Alright, so may freedom ka, Cancer, magawa lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. No? May good news din dito at may good omen. Kung pag-uusapan naman natin ang negative ways, some of you ay parang mag-surrender na sa buhay. Parang ayaw nyo na dito sa mundong ito. Some of you ay nabibigatan na sa mga responsibilidad. Yes. Kaya some of you ay parang ayaw nyo lang mag-stay sa mundong ito. So, paalala Cancer, take what is resonant. Some of you ay nababalutan ng mga negative energy. Some of you ay pinapadalhan ng mga witchcraft, no? Or nag-wish sa inyo na masama. Para ikaw ay maging sad, upset, something like that. No? Ayaw nilang maging masaya ka, Cancer. Yes, you have hiding enemies here, remember. Alright. Yes, so may mga sisters din ng mga Cancer na nag-guide sa inyo. See? You can see? Yes. Gusto nilang magkaganito ka, sad, upset. They don't want you to be happy, victorious, and prosper, Cancer. Gusto nilang maghirap ka. Okay. Yes, so nobody can harm you, nobody can attack you, Cancer. God our Father is with you. Who will be against you? Okay. Yes. Kahit anong gawin nila sa iyo, Cancer. Nobody. Kaya some of your enemies ay medyo na-upset, na-sad, no? Dahil hindi nila nagawa ang kanilang mga gawain. Hindi tumatalab sa mga Cancer. Wow, sana all, hindi tumatalab. Driving. You are the true survivor, Cancer, as I've told you. You born to be like a lion king, like a leader, no? Yes, brave hero. If you can see that the light, Cancer, this is the divine. So this means God our Father is with you. This is confirmation. No? Yes, na hanggang ngayon ay nakatayo pa rin ang mga Cancer. Yes. Cancer, you have a power. This is power card. Some of you ay born to be a leader. Some of you ay may talento tungkol sa panggagamot. Some of you ay good advisor, teacher, whatever, kung ano man yan, no? Mga spiritually, something like that. Or some of you ay doctors na manggagamot, something. Yes. You have a power, Cancer, to heal sensitive people. Sensitive, broken-hearted, something like that. Okay. Yeah, so wonders. See? Malakas ka sa spiritually world, Cancer. Alright. Some of you ay magaling na manggagamot something, no? You heal. You can heal people. So, security. So, be careful. As I've told you, be careful about your pag-aari. Okay. So, some of you ay nag-focus sa pamilya, no? Ang mga Cancer. So, gateway. Wow, miracle. Cancer. This is miracle card, Cancer. Right. Yeah, so get ready, Cancer, sa mga miracles na paparating ngayong September para sa inyo, mga Cancer. So, this is extended, Cancer, right? This reading. Trust your intuition, Cancer. Or trust your heart. Pakinggan mo ang iyong heart, Cancer. No? Alright, huwag mong isawalang bahala, Cancer. Follow your dreams also, Cancer. So, the legend. Mataas na ang naabot ng mga Cancer. Mataas ng nalipad. So, potential. May mga potential talent na mangyayari ngayong September or makilala ngayong September sa mga Cancer. Or sa iyong abilities, no? Kung makilala ka, Cancer, ngayong September. Yes. So, see? Confirmation. This is courage card. So, this is confirmation na ang mga Cancer ay may courage. Wow, lakas loob. Yes, kayang gawin. Like a lion. Like Braveheart. No? Lionheart ang mga Cancer. Yeah, so Cancer, you are the hero. This is hero card also, Cancer. Okay, brave and hero ang mga Cancer. Yes. So, something great will happen for you this week. The entire universe is working behind the scenes to surprise you in the most beautiful and unexpected way, Cancer. So, judgment day for your enemy. Bahala na ang Panginoon sa mga enemies, sa mga taong nag-gossiping on you. Alright. Yes. Cancer. Follow your dream. See? Again, it's coming out. Your future is written on the star, Cancer. The Holy Spirit works with you. Of course. The divine is with you, Cancer. Yes, divine protection. See, again, it's coming out. Get up, Cancer. Get up. Spell work, see? Attacking your spiritual welfare. So, this means confirmation also na may mga taong nag-wish inyo na masama. Na gusto kang pahirapan. Kaya some of you ay medyo nawala ng gana sa karelasyon. Some of you nawala ng gana magtrabaho. Some of you nagkakasakit. Some of you ay laging galit. So, this is mga attacking your spiritual. Okay, Cancer. Kaya, get up, Cancer. Okay, huwag magpadala sa mga negative energy na yan. So, your angel says, your best days are ahead of you. So, get up, okay? Don't be moved by what you see. Keep walking by faith. God has plans to prosper you, Cancer. As I've told you, some of you ay nawala na ng pag-asa. So, God, Cancer, has plans to prosper you. So, yeah, keep walking, keep moving, Cancer. Alright. So, your angel is crying, Cancer. What are you doing? Big reward ngayong September sa mga Cancer. Rebirth. Big transformation na mangyayari sa mga Cancer ngayong September. You are the chosen one, Cancer. You are the chosen one. Yes, you are unique. Yes. Some of mga chosen one ay ayong makihalo sa maraming tao. Some of you ay laging mapag-isa, something. That is the chosen one. Your wish will come true, Cancer, ngayong September. Yes. Soon, paparating na. If you can see 222 alignment, you are in the right place and the right time, Cancer. I love you, my child. Don't lose hope. Cancer, kung ano man yan. Yes, so if you can see 333, Cancer, this is support. Your spiritual guides are around you, sending your love, support, and guidance. They try to tell you that they have feelings on you. Oh my gosh. You have secret admirer. So you are a joyful person, masayahin ka, Cancer. You are gifted. You are gifted, Cancer. So you're buying a land or a house. Oof. 444, protection. The universe and your spiritual guides are protecting to you, Cancer. Yes. So be careful of who you trust in this time. You are not alone. The divine is in your side, Cancer. You never give up. Everybody looks at you. Wow, sana all. Oh. 888, financial and materials. If you can see 888, this means financial and materials abundance is on the way. You will get unexpected rewards for your past good work. Your life purpose is fully supported by the universe. If you can see 888, Cancer, love yourself, Cancer, alright. Your prayer is answered, Cancer, ngayong September. You're the angel. Wow. You are the angel. You will be celebrating miracles in your health, love life, and finances. Everything is aligning in your favor right now. So claim it, Cancer. So if you can see 77, you are following advice from your angels. You're on the right path to achieving your goals and success. So something will great happen also, Cancer, ngayong September. No? You are the angel again is coming out. No? Yes. So that's all for this month of September, Cancer. Huwag kalimutan mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Sharing is caring, right? So see you in my next video.